Welcome everyone. Today we are proud to unveil the 2026 Suzuki V-Strom 650. It combines power, comfort, and that iconic blue and white design.
Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a mid-weight adventure bike that can commute all week, tour all weekend, and still handle rough roads without drama, today's bike might be exactly what you're waiting for. The 2026 Suzuki V-Strom 650 isn't trying to be flashy, it's trying to be right. And that's why so many riders swear by it. So stay till the end, because this bike quietly solves problems many bigger ADV bikes create. Right from the start, the 2026 V-Strom 650 sticks to the formula that made it legendary. Suzuki hasn't reinvented the wheel here, they've refined it. The design looks sharper and more purposeful, with updated LED lighting, cleaner body panels, and taller, more aerodynamic windscreen that's clearly built for long highway hours. It still looks like a bike that wants to travel far, not just pose for Instagram. At the heart of the V-Strom 650 is Suzuki's proven 645cc V-twin engine. For 2026, it's smoother, cleaner, and more refined to meet the latest emission standards without losing its character. Power delivery is linear and predictable, which makes it perfect for both new ADV riders and experienced tourers. It doesn't try to scare you, it builds confidence. Whether you're cruising at highway speed or climbing mountain roads, the engine feels relaxed and dependable. On the road, this bike is all about balance. The chassis feels stable at high speeds, yet light enough to maneuver easily in traffic. The suspension is tuned for comfort first, but it still handles broken roads and light off-road trails with confidence. This isn't a hardcore dirt bike, and it doesn't pretend to be. It's an adventure tourer in the truest sense, designed for real-world riding. Suzuki has clearly focused on rider comfort for 2026. The upright riding position, wide handlebars, and well-padded seat make long rides surprisingly easy. Wind protection is improved, and vibration is minimal even at sustained speeds. This is the kind of bike you can ride for hours without feeling exhausted, and that's something many riders value more than raw horsepower. Technology gets a smart update without overcomplicating things. You get a modern TFT display, traction control with multiple modes, ride-by-wire throttle, ABS, and optional quick shifter depending on the market. Everything is intuitive, easy to use, and designed to help, not distract the rider. Suzuki keeps it practical, and that's exactly what the V-Strom audience wants. One of the biggest reasons the V-Strom 650 remains so popular is trust. Owners know this bike is reliable, easy to maintain, and built to last. For 2026, that reputation continues. This is a motorcycle you buy to use, not to worry about. Fuel efficiency is solid, service intervals are reasonable, and running costs stay realistic. So who is the 2026 Suzuki V-Strom 650 really for? It's for riders who want one bike to do almost everything. Commuting, touring, weekend rides, light adventure, this bike handles it all without drama. It may not be the loudest or the most aggressive in the segment, but it might just be the smartest choice. If you're the kind of rider who values comfort, reliability, and real-world performance over hype, the 2026 Suzuki V-Strom 650 deserves a serious look. Welcome back to sensible adventure riding, done the Suzuki way.